So I'm now going to show you how our new UI integrates with the development environment. First of all, to access the application, you'll find it at your customer name, OctaiPipe.ai, and you can sign in using your preferred single sign-on tool. We're going to integrate here with Microsoft Entra ID, and you'll see that I'm taken straight in to see a list of devices. You'll see off here there's a link to the documentation, and as we've explained before, it's really important that you've got access to lots of documentation about how the platform works. Now the devices, you can manage a set of devices through this interface. You can import a CSV file to upload a set of devices that you've registered before. The most interesting change is that now given a set of devices, you can group them together. So say, for example, I can create a group called demo and then add all those devices to it. And then once I've seen the group, I can go in and see the groups, and then I can find the devices again inside that group. So for the next bit, to start an experiment, what I'll need to do is go back into the notebooks. So the notebooks link is available here, and what I need to do is define and run a federated learning workload. And as we discussed before, this is very simple because all the configuration is done in this separate file here. I can run this command and you'll see that it started running. Now, in the background, that is creating a deployment and an experiment that's inside our OctaiPipe application. So if I go back to the experiments and I order by time, you'll see the experiment that has been created appearing in OctaiPipe. And you'll see the experiment being created inside the UI. And then I can actually go and explore that experiment as it's running. Now the experiment is running, and you'll see as it progresses through the experiment rounds. You'll see that the experiment is now complete, and I can actually view the model that has been created and see all the information about the model that has been generated. Now, if I want to deploy that model back out to an individual device, I can use the OctaiDeploy command line and deploy that device. And then if I go back to the user interface, I'll be able to see the deployments that have been created. And you'll see that it's in progress here.